Welcome, we're FLXR Engineering. Would you say that the presence of a deep vortex correlates with good mixing efficiency? People often think a deep vortex means good mixing. What if I told you that it isn't? First, allow us to introduce a magnetic stir bar specifically engineered to enhance mixing efficiency. This is SRS02, a high circulation magnetic stir bar. It features a propeller-like blade design and operates with a precession motion, enabling efficient high circulation mixing. In precession motion, two axes exist during SRS02 operation: the stirring axis aligned with the driver magnet and the rotational axis of the SRS02. The angle between them is the precession angle. In the demonstration, right-to-left clips represent reduced vortex formation. A small vortex generates chaotic flow, dispersing particles in multiple directions throughout the liquid. In contrast, a deep vortex drives particles in a single direction. CFD simulations and experimental validation guided the selection of the final precession angle, ensuring stable operation across a wide viscosity range of 1 to 1500 cp. The U.S. patent-pending precession stir bar reduces vortex formation and increases circulation, making it ideal for suspension and high-viscosity liquid mixing applications.